Hey there, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your GitHub projects on Render for free. First, we'll go to the browser and then go for Render. Okay. And if we search it on the browser, then here you can see render.com. So we'll go there and let's go for the get started option because we haven't actually created our account. From here, we can choose any of it for the account. So let's say go with the GitHub and I'll say authorize. Here we go. Now we have actually create our account inside Render. Now here we are going to actually deploy our GitHub project. Before that, we will actually go for the github.com, and here we are going to create a new repository. If you don't have any account, you can actually create account here. Okay, sign up through Google account and then sign in through it, and then create repository here. I have bunch of different repository. If I go here in this repository option, you can see I have actually added my project here. In your case, if you don't have any project, you can actually click here new and then give it a name, blah blah blah. Okay, and then create the repository and upload your project here. I already have the project, and here this project I'm going to use. Here you can see if I click on the project, the repository, here you will find option add file, then you can go for the upload file and upload your project. Okay, here, so this is my project. You can see static project. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to deploy it from here, Render. So we will now go for the new, okay, and then web service. Now here you can see we have three different options: GitLab, Bitbucket, and GitHub. So we are going to go with GitHub, and there will be a pop-up window. We'll select all repositories because we want to see all the repositories. Okay, now install. Here we go, and you are ready. Trigger a mailer to verify your identity. So let's verify it. As I mentioned that you have to actually create your account through Google when you will actually create your account for the GitHub. So remember the Gmail and go to that Gmail, okay, because it will actually send a code here and you have to actually go there to give the code. Okay, so what is the code? You can see GitHub email verification code. So I'm going to copy this, okay, and then go back here. Here you can see verified. Now we will click install and installing. Here we go. Now let's go back here, and here you can see we got here all the repository. So here we have test portfolio. We want to actually deploy it. So we'll click here. Now I will keep the same name, and branch is main. So I will select main because in my GitHub I have kept my branch name as main, so I'll select it as main successfully. Now I'll say deploy static site, and here you can see building. It will take some time, and this is the domain basically, I mean the URL you have to copy. And you can see our project is live, so we are going to copy this, okay, and let's go to a new browser or any other browser in our PC, and I will hit enter, and here you can see our project is live. All right guys, so guys, I have shown you how you can deploy your GitHub projects using Render for free. Thank you so much for watching this video.